Yeah, hi. In this video, we will learn Java 8 interview programming questions, and I will include only those questions which personally I faced in multiple companies like in a Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, okay, and other MNC's company like an IBM as well. Okay, and okay, please watch this video till the end. I can assure you, you will get too much from from this video, and if interviewer they're interested to ask any programming questions, I can assure you, okay, you will get 2 3 questions from this video. So please pause this video till the end. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it will really help me to create a new video. Yeah, let's start. The first question we'll discuss, um, when I was giving interview in Capgemini, what they asked me, like they told me like we have a list of employee, okay, and they want to print the employee which having the second highest salary. So it's like in a common questions which is mostly asked in other companies as well. Okay, let's create a Java project, and we'll see how to print the employee which having the second highest salary. Okay, some in some companies they can ask you like to print employee which having a third highest salary, or it could be like an nth highest salary. So yeah, let's create Java application first. Coding uh, interview. We'll keep it like any name. So here we are using Java 8. Okay, please okay, keep in mind, okay, whenever you will write the programs, interviewer always focus what you're doing, how you're approaching your program. Okay, so because they told me they we have a list of employee, so we need first to create the employee class. And if they told me the employee class, that means this class should have some fields. So they told like the field name is like id, private, oh sorry, and id, and second field is private string name. Okay, and private long salary, and fourth one will take it the department name. Okay, department, and last one is the age. Now the second task is to create the Getaseta method. If you're not using Lombok, it's required to create Getaseta method. Okay, if you're using, not required, then we will also override here to string method, and we'll create constructor as well. Go to the source and click on this constructor using fields. That's it. It will create constructor for us. Okay, we will add few instance of employee class, and we'll add the value. First value was like id, second was name. Okay, let's use the name Abhay. And third one was salary. Keep it salary like 1,20,000. Okay, and fourth one was department. Let's keep it like IT. Okay, and last one is age. Keep the age like 22. That's it. We'll copy it and paste, and we'll change the value now. Second name is Hari, and let's make the salary is 1,25,000. and the department is HR, and age is somewhere is 24. Okay, we'll change this. Age is 26. Sorry, make it 21. And department is IT. Here, make it like one like 23,000, and name is somewhere like minus. And one more value needs to change. This employee ID. Rohit. Okay, and change this value to 1,30,000. Shit. HR department, and age, his age is 26. Yeah. Dot get. Shit, sorry. It put it in, the and run this function. See, see here output. Okay, the first record you can see having age 26. Okay, that means it's maximum, and the employee which having the maximum age. Okay, the highest age. The second one is 24, 22, and 21. Okay, now in some, okay, in some scenario they might ask you like they won't ask you to print the employee by some fields. They can only ask you, sorry, they will not ask you to print the data in a reverse order. They can ask you just to sort the data. Okay, for that what you can do, just remove this reverse, and that's it. Okay, this question was also asked in TCS. Let me run this and you will see the data. Now we can see, the ascending order. Okay, ascending order by age: 21, 22, 24, 26. Okay, so yeah, and one more last questions we will see. I think this is one of the uh, tricky question, or I would say like the mostly asked questions, like in when I was giving an interview in Bipro. What they asked me to select the highest salary employee of each department. Okay, and yeah, so how we can do it, we'll see. What we need first department. Okay, and then we need to get all the data corresponding to the department. Okay, and from the data we need the particular record. Okay, particular employee which having the highest salary. So what we can do, how to get that, let's look how we can do it. First, list dot collect. Sorry, list dot stream. Okay, then we'll call the collect function. So we need we need department. So basically it's kind of grouping is required. So for that we will call grouping by. So we'll use collectors dot grouping by. So first what we need department. Okay, so we'll get the department dot get department, and the second what we need the corresponding data, the related data to this department. Okay, and now we'll call comparator sorry, collectors, dot, okay, collect. First we'll collect all the data, then, okay, so you can see there are two parameters. In first we will get the max value, so there is function collectors dot max, y. Here you can see what it's accepting, on the comparator. So we'll pass here comparator dot comparing. Okay, so in on just use comparing. So, oh, we need employee which having the maximum salary. Salary here we have of type long, so we'll use the long here. Okay, shit. Comparing long. Yeah, employee. Now we'll call the function get salary. Okay, that's it. And then in second parameter, because this max y will returns, the optional one, so we'll pass here optional. We'll call the get function get. That's it. Okay, so and this grouping by will always returns, the value in key value pairs, the type of map. So basically it will returns on the value of map. uh, so here in key will be like string, and the value will be of employee. That's it. emp. Mhm. So just import the this map. Okay, now the second question is, sometimes what they ask you. Okay, here let's first iterate and we'll let you know. Emp dot how we will iterate this map, call the entry set, then we'll call the stream. Okay, in a similar fashion like for each. Okay, in here we'll print sysout dot println. Okay, first we'll print key. Let me make it like a department e dot get key. Okay, plus I'm just adding, some value to make it, easy to read. And employee as an string, employee e dot get value. That's it. Now let's run this and we'll let you know what they can ask from this also. So okay, let me explain first, then we'll see the output. So here, okay, we have a map. Okay, for like in some interviews, if you have a less experience, okay, if they want to test your basic knowledge, they might ask you to iterate over list. Okay, or they might ask you to iterate over map using, the stream. Okay, just look into this how we iterate our map using a stream. Okay, so now we'll see the output. See here in department HR, Okay, we have the employee which having the salary 1,30,000. Let's see the input also. For department HR, we have a two record. One employee which having the salary is 1,25,000. Another employee which having the salary is 1,30,000. Okay, in IT, you can see the maximum one is 1,23,000, and yeah, one more is 1,20,000. So here you can see the department wise. You can see the first one is the department. You can see here HR. Okay, this one is HR, and the employee, corresponding employee which having the maximum salary 1,30,000, and the second one is the IT. It's not looking clear, so let's make it like this. Now this will clear. Now it's clear, you can see. Okay, so I don't think so it's also required. It's okay. Just check the output. So department, you can see HR. For HR, we have an employee which having the salary is 1,30,000. Okay, which is the maximum salary of this department employee. And in IT department, we have an employee which having the salary is 1,23,000. Okay, yeah, that's it in this video. Okay, I'll create one more video, but please, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. It will really help me, to create another video. And in next video we will discuss about, another programming questions in Java 8 only, for array collections, what they can ask you. Okay, we will cover also the Java 7 and Java 8 programming questions, which is important. Okay, and mostly they used to ask these kind of questions. Okay, if you at least write these questions now in front of them, and if you reply, uh, then your chances is higher to get a selection, because it's my personal, the experience, uh, which I observed in my career, as well as I'm also, involved in interview panel. So I always believe if someone can, write the code and can explain what they written, then it's fine. They can work. Okay, that's it. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm saying, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe it. Thank you.